Hi, my name is Peter Cullen from Interlido. So this is going to be a short video overview as part of the SEO Workbench Learning Center, and it's about website authority and what that actually means. So you want a website that has lots of authority so that the search engines can give it more relevance when it comes to deciding how relevant your website is for your chosen keywords. The more authority you have in your website, the more likely you are to get that boost in rankings. So let's have a look and see what the search engines return. For example, when we do a search for Michael Jackson, you can see a typical search engine results page here. You scroll down, you can see this is the first area of organic search results, 3 results here. We scroll down further past the Twitter and video and images, you can see the second section here of organic search results. So the question is, why are those search results there? Why does Google think they're the most relevant or more relevant than the other 135 million web pages that it has relating to the keyword search Michael Jackson? And part of the reason is because these websites have much more authority in them than all the other websites. Now obviously a keyword phrase like Michael Jackson is going to be incredibly competitive. The keywords that you're targeting are probably less competitive, but it's still the same theory. Why are the results for your keywords, the results on the top web pages in the search engine results page, why are they there? So apart from the content, we put the content to the side for a minute and let's assume that these websites are actually optimized for the content. Why are these websites where they are? So let's break it down. We're going to use the SEO workbench here, and we're just looking at the keyword phrase SEO software. So this is a number of areas that our SEO workbench looks at in terms of deciding how much authority a website has. So the first thing here we can see for SEO software, we're looking at the top 10 competitors here, and we're looking at how many backlinks they have. And you can see it varies from 77 backlinks to 198,000 to 13 million backlinks. So immediately you can see that it's not about the quantity of backlinks that you get, it's about the quality. So let's just have a look down further to the page. This was run in January. So Interlido has just over 5,500 backlinks, and we'll take a sample of 1,000 of those and we'll analyze them. And we look at how much authority that 1,000 has. You can see here the majority by far have little or no authority. And we've seen this time and again that the majority of backlinks to a website have very little authority in them. As you can see here, over 900 here have a page rank of 0. That means that Google thinks that these web pages are not, or have very, very little or no authority at all. And you can see as we go up 1, 2, 3, page rank of 4, 5, 6, 7, very, very few. We have 1 from 7. None, and 8, 9, and 10. So if you think like somebody with a page rank of 10 would be somebody like Google or Microsoft or the BBC, pages with 0 page ranks are the exact opposite. That there's nobody linking to them, very little traffic on them, no real authority. So the idea is that you want to build your backlinks. You want to move this column here to the right over time. So you want a nice amount of backlinks coming from 4, 5, 6 page ranks. That's incredibly difficult to do, and it's one of the reasons why link building is one of the hardest parts of a search engine optimization campaign. So we're just looking at there the page backlink and page authority. We also look at the page or the authority in the websites, the home pages of the websites that you're getting backlinks from. And you can see here it's much more healthier. A lot of the websites we're getting backlinks from do actually have a lot of authority. It's just the web pages within those websites we're getting backlinks from don't have a lot of authority. So you can scroll down. Another key area of building your authority is not only getting the backlinks, but also getting people to link to you with your keyword in the link text. You can see here we've developed a tag cloud, and this is showing us the different keywords people use when they link to interlido.com. And you can see the ones highlighted here. The biggest one's naturally Interlido. The business name is a keyword that people use when linking to us: SEO and software and professionals. So the goal here would be for your business to develop these areas, these keywords, these backlinks with people using the text that are your keywords. And we can find out again exactly what websites these are. And just much like up here, if we want to get a breakdown of all the backlinks that we've analyzed, we can see here what the URL names are and whether the links are follow or no follow. So follow really means that if a search engine spider comes along to this page and follows the link to interleader.com, that whatever authority is in that page will be transferred. If it's no follow, then no authority will be transferred. So you obviously, with the page ranks 5 or 6 or 7, you want to get backlinks that have a follow tag ideally. And again, we can also break down these backlinks here to see what websites, web pages are giving backlinks here. We also look at the keywords around it, the link text. This is important again, and it's something that the search engines look at. And the question you're looking at here is, in what context are you getting a backlink? Are you getting a backlink that is not related to your primary keywords, the set of keywords, or are you getting backlinks from websites, web pages that are very much related to your core business? And we just, over time, we would put a trend graph in place. So you can see here, we had just under 6.5 in December, just under over 5.5 in January, a drop of nearly 1,000 backlinks. That would naturally be something you would want to investigate, because the trend on an ongoing basis should be on upwards. And that might be a blip. Next month it might be back up. We'll investigate that further. Where the backlinks coming from, what domains? Here we look at, do you have any backlinks coming from authority domains? So .org, .edu, .gov, .mil. And again, you can click on that and find out where those backlinks are coming from. You can see one there. We have one from SEO Moz, which is a no follow link. We break it down to domain extension and target country. So in terms of building your authority, are you getting backlinks from websites or web pages in your target countries? You can see it's evenly split between nearly the US and Ireland. The UK is not very many. Australia, it's distributed quite widely, but the two main areas are Ireland and the US there. And then what's the domain extension of the backlinks? You can see .com, .ie, .co.uk. So again, if you're targeting, especially for countries that you're targeting, for instance, if you're targeting France or Germany, are you getting backlinks from domain extensions with .de, .fr? And again, it's not, any one of these is not going to be the difference to you getting a page 1 ranking or not, but it's the accumulation of all these different factors. We also look then, are you in DMOZ, are you in Yahoo? These all contribute to the authority of your website. So how do you build the authority? That's the hard part. You have to find out what backlinks you can get, what your competitors are doing in terms of getting their backlinks. And again, we can go into the competitor analysis section on the SEO workbench, and we'll just get a breakdown on the right hand side here, the list of top 10 competitors for our keyword here. We'll just pick one of the competitors and we'll have a look at where they're getting their backlinks from. So they have just over 17,500, and we can start to analyze what these backlinks are, how relevant they are, what the authority or page rank is, and whether the links are follow or no follow. So that's what you have to look for when you're looking to build the authority of your website. Where you're getting your backlinks from, how valuable they are, how on target they are, and what your competitors are doing in terms of building their backlinks. The ideal way to get backlinks is naturally through content or services or tools or products that you sell through your website. And then strategic backlinking, where you actually go out and try to develop a community, a relevant community that will drive traffic to your website and give the search engines more of an insight into what websites are important to you. Okay, that's it. Thanks for listening.